Welcome to my laundry room makeover. For 2.5 years we've lived in this house. Now the goal is to give it a facelift. Since I know I'm not going to have the use of these for the next couple of weeks, I am doing laundry as fast as I can. We have 5 things on our to-do list. First, clean and degrease it. Second, paint the walls. Third, paint the cabinets. Fourth, paint the countertops. And fifth, paint the tile floors. Okay, the walls are painted. Now we are going to move on to the cabinets. Before you start, make sure that your cabinets are wiped down with a really good degreaser cleaner. Okay, this cabinet transformation kit is by Rust-Oleum, and the color that I chose is called Iced Gray, and I cannot wait to get started. Step number 1, the cabinets need to be deglossed, completely scrubbed down. It's finally time to paint. Next step is the bond coat. Make sure that you stir it really good. This color is called Iced Gray. Use a synthetic brush and start on the inside edge of your cabinet. Now it's time for the top coat, and I will do 2 coats of that. The top coat goes a lot faster than the bond coat, so this part is super quick. Okay friends, the counters are done, the cabinets are done, so now it's time to tackle the floors. I chose charcoal gray for the base coat, and then I'm doing a pattern with smoke. So I learned that putting less on the roller is a much better idea. A little of this floor coating goes a long way. The room is finally done. Now that the laundry room renovation is done, now I get to style it, which is my favorite part.